Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to be very quick about this video. I just want to show you this so that you can actually go to the market right now and see if you are actually going to see a matching offer, because I just make a transaction now and there was a matching offer. So you can actually go to the market right now and check if you're actually coming across this video. So before I jump into this video, I want still to do the same video that I posted last, so you guys can actually, this video is all about using cash link, buying from cash link method and go and sell it on p2p and make your own profit. So without wasting much time, I am crypto 001. What I do in this channel is that I promote content such as crypto arbitrage, triangular arbitrage, exchanges arbitrage, spot trading and the rest. So if you are watching this video right now, I think you go and start this and see if you can actually make money right now. So because I just jumped into the market and there was a matching offer, so I don't mean I wanted to complete the trade, I would have done that. So I don't want to waste time on this video. Let's just dive in and show you quick. So first of all, what we need to do is to click on where you see deposit. Once you click on deposit, you now move to deposit engine. Okay, once you are on deposit engine, you are going to wait a little bit for it to load and finish so that you can actually complete your transaction. So we are still waiting for it to load. What you need to do now is to click on this we continue. Once you click on continue, it take you to another interface. So we are waiting for it to load. Okay, as you can see, it's already doing it. Okay, fine. Let's click on, let's say 100,000 naira and see if there's going to be a matching offer. Let's say 100,000. Okay, with our 100,000, we are going to pay merchant fee of 500 naira and we will receive 99,500 naira. Let's click on continue to see. As you can see, there is a matching offer. I don't mean you want to complete this trade right now. You can actually carry out this trade. You can see I just click on this and there's a matching offer. So let's go and see how much we'll be making with this simple arbitrage opportunity. So what I think in my last video I actually sound this to you guys. If you are ready to make money, always be consistent. Always come here all the time to make money, because there's no how you put effort that God will not stand with you. Always come online, try and check if there's a matching offer. So actually I've cancelled this trade because I don't actually want to trade. I'm just using this for the purpose of this tutorial. So I'm very sorry for this guy, please forgive me. It's not my fault. I actually want to show my people that this is actually profitable. So what we need to do now is to click on trade. Once you click on trade, this is the interface you will see. Make sure you put it on you put the coin on USDT/NGN. So once you are here, you can actually see that here NGN is actually sold at the rate of NGN here is actually 1,732 naira. So what we have here is, after we started this trade with 100,000, after removing the merchant fee, and we now live with 99,500. Yeah, so what we need to do is to include the 99,500 naira here. With our 99,500 now, we are going to receive 57.4 USDT, and we now move to our P2P to see if actually it's going to be profitable. Once we are on our P2P marketplace, we now click on sell. Once you click on sell, you now click on filter. Once you click on filter, you now toggle off this to see all the merchants. You now click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, you now insert the amount you actually want to sell. So you now click here and insert like 100,000 naira. Okay, with our 100,000 naira, we are going to see a list of merchants. Okay, you can see there's a merchant here. The first guy is actually restricted, so we go for the second guy. So with this second guy, let's see how, if we're actually going to make profit. So let's just include our, let's just sell to this guy and see if we are going to make profit. Okay, with our 100,000, we have, let's say, what was 57.5 USDT. Okay, you can see with our 100,000, we are able to make 556 naira as our profit. So this is actually profitable. So if you are into the, if you are watching this video, you can actually go and try this, but I cannot guarantee you, because there are a lot of people who are willing to do all this. I keep posting videos like this to motivate people to be always online, so that you'll be able to also benefit from this cash link method. So by the time I'm posting this video, I don't know who is watching it, so just try your best. If you try it doesn't work for you, don't panic, keep it on a low, try again next time. Just keep trying to work for you. Okay, so you can see with our 100,000 now we have been able to make a profit of 556 naira. So let's go back to our calculator. Let's go to our calculator and see how much we are going to make if you actually go this, like, let me say 5 times or day by. So on our calculator now, what we need to do is, let's say 100,556 naira minus initial capital, which was 100,000 naira. You can see you make a profit of 556 naira. Let's say 556 naira times, 556 naira times 5 times. If you go this 5 times, you actually make 2,780 naira. Let's say 2,780 naira times 80 days. Times 30. Okay, times 30 days. You make a whooping sum of 83,400 naira. So this is actually profitable, guys. Just keep trying, putting your effort, be consistent if you actually want to make money in this present economy. Okay, so if you like this kind of content, please like, subscribe and share my video so that it get to other people. Please don't forget to smash the notification button, because anytime I drop a quick video like this, you'll be the first to watch, or you just get notified and you just click on it and watch, so that you first of all implement it before others. Thank you.